Hello everyone, welcome to the Priyanka Rattawa show. Today we are going to make beetroot halwa and that too sugar free, but I'll be using jaggery or curd as a sweetener. And we all know that jaggery is a very healthy ingredient. I just love beetroot for its healthy nutrients. It prevents cancer, lowers blood pressure, great for hemoglobin and lots of other benefits. For this recipe, I have already peeled and grated the beetroots. Let's cook it. Take a non-stick pan and add ghee or clarified butter. Next, add the grated beetroot. Stir it and roast at medium heat. Saute it for good 15 minutes so that the beetroot is well cooked. The beetroot has shrunk and lost its moisture. Now I'm going to add a cup of milk. Mix it nicely. Let's cover it with the lid and cook for another 5 to 6 minutes at medium heat. You can see the color of beetroot has changed slightly. Now I'm going to add Khoya or Mawa. If you don't get Khoya, then you can replace it with milk powder. Grated Khoya or Mawa. This is totally optional, but it makes the halwa rich and tasty. Mix well until the mawa blends with the beetroot. Time to add the sweetener. I'm adding chopped jaggery or curd. You can also add sugar if you want. Mix it. After adding curd, you can see the halwa has become a bit watery. Keep stirring and cook until the mixture becomes dry and non-stick. Let's check. Moisture will dry off as it cools. Let's add flavouring agent, cardamom or elaichi powder, pistachios, almonds, and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Stir it. And our halwa is ready. I'm going to switch off the stove and allow it to cool for some time. Serve hot or cold as per your liking and enjoy this healthy Indian dessert. For the plating, I'll fill this bowl with halwa and then invert it onto the plate. Put some tiny cranberry sauce and garnish with some fruits. This looks so adorable. No one can say a no to this halwa. This is a very healthy sugar-free halwa that is a complete treat for your eyes and taste buds. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to Akshay Foods. Eat healthy and stay happy. See you next time. Bye-bye.